Good morning, my dear students and my dear friends. This is Sudhir and welcome you all on today's class. And today we are moving towards the exercise 9.4. ठीक है? And this exercise is based on the measurement of capacity. We have learned some conversion factors. है ना? हम लोगों ने conversion factors पढ़े थे on the page number 140. So we have learned that there are three units of capacity. The first one is a kiloliter. Then it is liter and the milliliter. ठीक है? Kiloliter is a bigger unit and milliliters is a smaller unit. In everyday life we are using a liter. ठीक है? हम हमेशा हमारी लाइफ में everyday life में लीटर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Okay. So again we know that 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 लीटर. जहां पर भी आप ये वर्ड सुनेंगे दैट इज किलो. किलो इज स्टैंड्स फॉर 1000. किलो का मतलब ही 1000 होता है. ठीक है? 1 kiloliter that means 1000 liter. Okay, if there is a 1 liter, we already learned that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters and half liter is equal to 500 milliliters. कैसे आएगा? It is very simple. Half of liters. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to find the half of 1000 milliliters. You will get the 500 milliliters. 1/4 of liter. So when you will find a 1/4 of 1000 milliliters, you will get a 250 milliliters. ठीक है? यहाँ पर fractions of a collection का use करना है. So you will get this. Okay. And 3/4 is a 1/2 plus 1/4. That means what? It is 250 plus 500 milliliters. That is 750 milliliters. So dear students, always remember one thing. You have to understand all these things. Okay, आपको ये सब कुछ समझ में आना चाहिए. You have to remember every conversion factors. इस चैप्टर में conversion factor आपको याद रहना बहुत बहुत important है. Okay, so let's move toward the exercise 9.4. Okay, so as you can see, this is exercise 9.4. Let's read the first question. And the first question is, how many times will you see each container to fill the jug of capacity 1 liter? Okay, we have a 1 liter jug. That means the capacity of this jug is 1 liter. And we have the small others. छोटे छोटे और दूसरे बर्तन हैं. That means we have another container and the capacity of smaller container is different. So we have to understand in how many number of time we can fill the jar of 1 liter with the help of these small containers. ठीक है? So the first container is 250 milliliters. This is a first container which the capacity of this container is 250 milliliters. Okay. So we know that the 1/4 part is the 250 milliliters. Yes. So 1/4 part. Okay. I said 1/4 part. So we required 4 times 1/4 part to make a 1 whole. Yes. We have learned in the fraction. So 250 milliliters it is. So remember one thing. Okay. अगर आपके पास 250 milliliters है, ध्यान से देखो, 250 milliliters. Okay. We have the container of 250 milliliters and we have to fill a 1 liter. And we know that 1 liter is equal to the 1000 milliliters. Okay. एक बड़ा we have a big container of 1000 milliliters and we have to find in how many number of time this 1000 milliliter will be packed. ये पूरा complete हो जाएगा. So it is very simple. We will divide by 250 milliliters and 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are is 50, 3s are is 75 and 4s are is 100. So 250 4s are will be 1000. Okay, मैंने zero का इस्तेमाल किया है. Okay, 25 4s are is 100 and this zero I am writing. Okay, this zero it is as it is. ये zero मैंने यहाँ पर as it is लिख दिया. ठीक है? 250 ones are 250, 250 twos are is 500, 3s are is 750 and 4 times it will be 1000 milliliters. So the answer is 4. Okay, so we will write here 4. As you can see here, 1/4 part में कितना चाहिए हम लोगों को? In 1/4 part there is a 250 milliliters. So when you will multiply by 4, you will get a 1000 milliliters. Okay, that is equal to the 1 liter. Okay, now let's move toward the second one, and that is the capacity of this small container is 100 ml. And we know that the capacity of this big jug, this container is 1 liter. That means we need a 10 times. It is 100. हमारे पास 100 milliliters है. हमको चाहिए 1000. So एक zero लगाना है ना? That means we have to multiply by 10. That means it is a, what is meant by multiplication? Multiplication means a repeated addition. ठीक है, what is a repeated addition? It is a multiplication. That means 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. How many times 100 ml you need to make a 1000? So we know that 100 10 is 1000, so answer will be 10 here. That means 100 ml के कंटेनर्स हम लोगों को 10 बार 10 times में 10 times we required, then the capacity of both will be equal. Okay, so it is 500 milliliters. This is a container of 500 milliliters, and we have to fill this 1 liter, and we know that the 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So you need a 2 times, that is 500 plus 500. जब आप 500 plus 500 दो बार करोगे, that means 2 times. When you will use this container 2 times, then this jar will be filled completely. Okay, so we will write here 2. Understood? I hope you understand. 200 milliliters. So dear students, now the last one is a 200 milliliters. We have to fill the 1000. So in how many number of time the 1000 will come? ठीक है, 200 plus 200 will be 400, 600, 800, and 5 times it will be 1000. That means 200 ml के 5 times. That means we need 5 times. Okay, 5 times of this capacity is equal to the capacity of big container. I hope you understand. Now let's move toward the question number B. And ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा लंबा हो सकता है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आगे. ठीक है, a milkman has measured a cup of capacity 100 milliliters, 200 milliliters and 500 milliliters. मिल्कमैन के पास ये सिर्फ 3 ही कंटेनर्स है. ठीक है, he have only 3 containers and the capacity of first container is 200 milliliters and the capacity of second is 500 milliliters. Capacity of third one is 100 milliliters. Okay, so we have to, simple है, बहुत easy है. So look, the first question, it is 700 milliliters. हमको 700 milliliters चाहिए with the help of these 3 containers. So 700 we want, so we will use a 500, then plus 200. 500 plus 200 will be 700 milliliters. Similarly, we have to give the 600 milliliters milk to anyone. So we will use the 500 first of all. 500 milliliters plus we want 600, 500 तो हो गया. Again we need 100 milliliters, so we will use 100 milliliters. Okay, now third one is 800 milliliters. So 800 means 500. First of all we will use the 500 milliliters plus 5, and when we will use this one it will be 700. Yes, 200, अभी तक 700 ही हुआ है. Up to till now we got only 700. We need 100 ml extra, so it is a answer 300 milliliters we want, and it is 200 plus 100, that will be is equal to 300 milliliters. I hope you understand. Let's move towards the next page, and the page number is 142. ठीक है, चलिए पेज नंबर 142 की तरफ चलते हैं. So let's move toward the page number 142, and on the page number 142 the question number C is there, and the question number C is how much water is there in each jar. ठीक है, so listen dear student, there are some stones inside the jar. We don't have to consider that. हमको उसको समझना नहीं है, हमको directly measure करना है with the help of measuring cylinder. Okay, that is the cylinders I already shown you. So look at the first one. There is a division. The first one is the 50 and this is the 250. Okay, 50 just above the mark above the 50 is 100, उसके ऊपर वाला 150, and just above the 150 is 200, and just above it is 250. That means each division, मतलब क्या बोला मैंने, दो लाइन के बीच में the part which is in between the two small line is indicating the 50 milliliters, is indicating the 50 milliliters. Okay, 50 milliliters है. ठीक है. Okay, so as you can see here it is going up to the 200. Yes, first one is 550, second, third and fourth. So just the mark which is just below the 250 is 200 milliliters. So we will write here 200 milliliters. The water inside the first jar is 200 milliliters. Okay. So now let's move toward the question number 2, and the question number 2 is, what is the question number 2? The question number 2, we have to find the capacity. That means We don't have to find capacity, we have to find only the amount of water inside the jar B. That means second jar में कितना amount of water है. So the first mark is 50, second mark is 100, and the mark just above the 100 is 150 milliliters. And as you can see here, the water level is up to the third mark. तीसरे line तक है, the third smallest line. So the answer is 150 milliliters. The first line is 50, second line is 100, and the third line will be 150. Okay, so now let's move towards the jar number 3, and the jar number 3 is this one. ये jar number 3 है, ठीक है. And there is a big stone. We have to ignore the stone. हमको इस stone से कोई मतलब नहीं है. We have to find the amount of water inside the jar, ठीक है. And with the help of only and only the scale which is given just side of the jar. Okay, so as you can see, this is a mark which is a 250 milliliters. This is a 250 milliliters, and the mark just below the 250 is a 200 milliliters. And जो हमारा water level है, it is not equal to 250. वो 250 तक नहीं है, and it is not at the 200. ना तो वो 200 तक है और ना ही 250 तक है. It is lies in between the 200 and 250. Okay, that means the number which is exactly in between the 200 and 250 is 225. 250 और 200 के बीच में there is a number which is exactly in between, that is a 225. So we will write here 225 milliliters. Okay, then the jar, there is a fill in the blank, has the least, and the jar has most amount of water. We have to write which jar has a least amount of water. Least means कम and most means maximum. Okay, so the jar 2 has a least. Least means small amount. Okay, so we will write here second. The second jar has a small amount of water, and the third jar, which is a 225 milliliters, has a most, that means maximum amount of water in the jar. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's move towards the question number D, and question number D में थोड़ा सा print mistake है. Okay, this is not a 250 milliliters. वो 250 milliliters नहीं है, ठीक है, because the capacity of this container is 500 milliliters. 500 है, ठीक है. And if you want to fill the 250, because we know that half of the half, 500 का half, it is 250 milliliters. That means हम लोगों को ये यहाँ तक पैक नहीं करना है. We have to pack half fill करना है, ठीक है. So half is like this. This is a half. Okay, so we have to fill the water up to till here. Okay, what is the color the jar to fill the 250 milliliters? We have to color the jar to fill the 250 milliliters, and we know that the 250 is a half of 500, so we will fill it up to the half. ठीक है, हम लोग half container fill करेंगे. Okay, how much more water is needed to fill the jar till 500 ml? अब इतना वो तो बहुत आसान है. 250 is a half of 500. That means again a 250 is needed to fill. अब इतना तो भरा हुआ है. Yes, it is a filled up to the 250 milliliters. Again we need a 250 milliliters to fill the jar completely. Okay, what is the answer here? 250 milliliters needed to fill the jar completely. Okay, to fill the jar completely. Now look at the question number E. अब question number E को हम लोग solve करते हैं. Okay, so let's move toward the question number E, and the question number E is, let's read out the question number E. What is the question number E here? 1 minute. Give me a 1 minute. Okay, so it is a Dheeraj bout a bottle containing 2.5 liters. Okay, there is Dheeraj is purchasing, खरीद रहा है, वो एक bottle है, and the bottle is 2.5 liters. What? 2.5 liters. Okay, how many cup of capacity? 500 milliliters can fill. He fill with the milk in the bottle. Simple है. The capacity of bottle is given, and that is 2.5 liters. That means 2500 milliliters. देखो मैंने क्या बोला. What is the meaning of 2.5 liters? 2 liters, that means 2000 milliliters. Yes, and half liter, that means 500. So the capacity of bottle in milliliters is 2500 milliliters, and we have the cup. We have the cup of capacity 500 milliliters. So the question arises that in how many times the bottle will be completely filled. जब आप पहली बार when you will use a cup to fill the bottle, जब आप first time pour करोगे, that means if you are transferring the milk from cup to the bottle first time, तो आपकी बॉटल जो है वो 500 मिलीलीटर्स पैक हो जाएगी. ठीक है. Then again 500, that means it is 500 plus 500 is equal to 1 liter. Then 500, 1500 milliliters, 2000 milliliters and 2500 milliliters. That means each time 500. So 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500, so plus 500. बहुत ही easy है. What we have to do? Let's solve this question. Okay. So I'm writing the answer here. Okay. Open the page number 142. Okay. So as you can see, question number E, I'm writing the answer. What is the capacity of bottle? The capacity of bottle is equal to 2.5 liters. So we will convert this 2.5 liters into the milliliters. We know that 2 liter plus half liter. Okay, so let's convert this 2 liters into the milliliters. We will multiply by 1000. So it will be converted into milliliters. For milliliters में आ जाएगा. Okay, then the half liter is equal to 500 milliliters. So the total will be 2000 milliliters plus 500 milliliters, and the total will be 2500 milliliters. So that is a capacity of bottle. I have written here CB, capacity of bottle, that is CB is equal to 2500 milliliters. Okay, and the capacity of small cup, capacity of small cup. Okay, capacity of cup is equal to the given, that is 500 milliliters. And now we have to find in how many number of time this cup can fill that bottle completely. So या तो आप 2500 को 500 से डिवाइड कर दो, और you can use a repeated subtraction method also. ठीक है, आंसर आना चाहिए बस. Okay, so if you want to find out the number of cups, so what we have to do, we will write 2500. Here will be 500. अब डिवीजन का तरीका बहुत आसान है. Look front everyone. Okay, this is 500 which is a divisor, and this is 2500 which is a dividend. So it is a 3-digit number. So we will take 3 digits from here. Okay. Now 500 ones are 500. We can't return. पहली बार में बड़ा हो जाएगा. So we can write 0. But if you are writing 0 here, that is meaningless. If you are writing the 0 in the beginning of the number, that is meaningless. So I am taking the whole number. मैं पूरा का पूरा number ले रहा हूँ. ठीक है. So listen dear students, whatever I will write in the question, मैं question में जो भी चीज लिखूंगा, तो ये दोनों 0 उससे मल्टीप्लाई होके दोनों 0 यहाँ आ जाएंगे. समझा क्या? Whatever I will write, if I am writing here 1, so 0 ones are 0 and 0 ones are 0. तो लास्ट में 2 0 आना, it is fixed. Now only 5 is remaining here and 25 is remaining here. 5 के टेबल में 25 से ज्यादा नहीं आना चाहिए. ठीक है. So 5 5s is 25. So 5 5s are 25, and I have written this 20 as it is here. So 0 0 0 0. The 5 answer is 5. That means we will write here Dheeraj need 5 cup to fill the bottle completely. So the final answer is 5. I hope dear students you understand all these things. Please complete the exercise 9.4, and after this we will proceed towards the interchanging of units, liters to milliliters and milliliters to liters. It is very simple. Then we will proceed towards the exercise 9.5. So dear students, please note down in your maths notebook. फटाफट से इसको अपनी मैथ्स नोटबुक में लिख लो. हैव अ गुड डे एंड बाय बाय. टेक केयर.